Hello, this is Annette from needlepointers.com. In this video, I will show you how to crochet through the back loop only. This is abbreviated in patterns as BLO or sometimes just BL. So if you come across this in patterns, you will know what to do. Before we begin, take a look at the top of the crochet piece. You will notice little V's. The V is made up of 2 loops, and normally you crochet under both loops when you crochet, like this. The loop that is closest to you is the front loop. The loop that is farthest away is the back loop. So to crochet in the back loop only, you insert your hook in the center of the V and underneath the back loop. Then you will stitch as indicated in your pattern. Now I am going to just do a simple single crochet to show you how to do it. And there you have it. I've crocheted in the back loop, and the front loop, there's a little piece in the front. This is the front loop. Let's do this again a couple more times. Insert it right in the middle of the V, underneath the back loop, wrap your yarn around as indicated in the pattern, and crochet. That's how simple it is to do a back loop only crochet. You may be wondering when the back loop only would be used. Here is an example. The horizontal bar, the free front loop was used to anchor the shell stitch in this afghan. If you're interested in other ways to use the back loop only crochet, head over to our step-by-step photo tutorial on our website by clicking the link in the video or in the description below. I hope you enjoyed learning the back loop only crochet. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Need tutorials for other crochet stitches? Check out Needle Pointers Crochet Stitch Guide page.